You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, or at least how it's usually pronounced in English. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced in English as Sadia. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Sadia? Sadia? Where are you from as well? What is the origin of your name? Let us know in the comments. In English, it's most commonly pronounced, I believe, as Sadia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.